In the lane, snow is glistening.
Happy holidays! It's the season. Hello, everyone. Gonna have some fun tonight. Going to share some good information for some holiday gift ideas. This is part 2. Many of you received part 1 in an email this morning or here in this group. And I'm just going to share some more recipes, and I hope this is helpful. So let me know if any of these ideas resonate with you. So we're going to get started. In my first video, I shared lots of sugar scrubs and different sprays and different things. We're going to have different items in this video here. So starting off with rollers. Many of you might have seen this picture that Jenny posted of a tin. This is a big tin, so there's lots of rollers. This is a 5 mil size. You could do the bigger 10 mil size rollers. And these are all different recipes that I have. Now, maybe you have someone that has head tension, or it occasionally gets an upset tummy, or is stressed out. Making recipes for them is great. And I'm going to post these 16 very simple, my favorite simple recipes, and I'll post this in the group later. But these are some great ideas for some really basic rollers that you probably have all the oils to make, and you can put these together. Now, a lot of times you'll see when I make stuff, I have these roller labels. Now, you can get all fancy, and there's all kinds of ways to do that. I love to use Avery. Now, Avery.com is a simple website, and I'd be happy to do a tutorial on that sometime if someone would like. But I use Avery 5160 labels, and these fit around a 5 mil or a 10 mil roller. And I design my labels right on Avery. It's really fun. You can get very creative. You can put your own photos on there, your own designs, graphics, and really customize it. So I love rollers for gifts for the holidays. When we're talking about reaching out to people on the holidays, a lot of you send Christmas cards. I'm not sure that I'm going to get mine out this year or not, but when you send your Christmas cards, you can add a little something extra special. You can take a plastic bag, add some drops of essential oil to some cotton balls. So a few drops in there. Stick the cotton balls in the baggie, put your cards inside, and seal that up, and the aroma will go onto your cards. Now, if you want something a little faster, where you're not going to let them sit in the bag for a little bit, you can make a spray, and I like to use vodka with my essential oils and some water, and I'll just take it in a spray bottle and kind of mist the back. I do this before I put the writing inside and do any of that and let that dry, but it'll put that aroma onto the card. So when someone opens their envelope, they can smell that beautiful holiday joy, wild orange, cinnamon, On Guard, whatever your favorite oil is, you can add to your greeting cards. It's a great idea to make things even that much more special. So when we're talking about making things smell good, have you guys seen those reed diffusers? Well, as far as you can make your own, any skinny little bottled will work. Perrier makes these tiny bottles. You've probably seen me use the big ones before. They make the smaller ones. This is a great reed diffuser. And in here I can get some bamboo reeds. And here is the recipe. I use a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 15 drops of essential oil of my choice, 2 tablespoons of vodka, and I put that in, mix it up, put in the reeds. I'll let them sit for a little while, and then I'll flip them over. And periodically you can flip those to release the scent into the air. A fun little gift to make, or something for yourself to diffuse around the house without electricity. So as far as the big bottles, I reuse these for cleaning bottles. You can use cleaning tops on these as well. Standard size sprayers do fit in those glass Perrier bottles. You can always purchase things on Amazon, glass spray bottles and accessories, or aromatools.com, or Got Oil Supplies. One of the recipes that we made at our holiday party was a mouth spray, and it's really simple. These are just little tiny spray bottles, and we just added peppermint or spearmint, 3 to 5 drops to taste, so your preference, and then add it in water, shake it up, and spray. Now, you don't want to spray this in your eye, but it is great for a traveling mouth spray. And I got these these spray bottles from Amazon, and I can get the link if that's something you would like. Let me know below. So, and this one is called Frosty Fresh Breath Spray. Did you guys get to make this if you were in Rockford or Dixon? You might have got to make this spray. When we're talking about gifts, a lot of times it's fun to repurpose things. And I end up with a lot of empty supplement bottles because I love dōTERRA's supplements. One fun way for the holidays is to reuse your supplement containers for pen containers. Now, if you want, there is a label on the jar and they are clear and you can peel these off. And so it would be not having the label on it. You could wrap these in rope and glue some rope on. Maybe the kids can put cotton balls and it can be a beautiful snow pen holder. Maybe you want to add stickers, maybe paint them. All kinds of things you can do with these to repurpose them. As far as the lids, when I look at this, I see great game pieces for a homemade tic-tac-toe set. So you could actually paint a little design on there if you wanted, make a cute little tic-tac-toe set, maybe get a cloth bag and paint the little grid for the tic-tac-toe on there, throwing the caps inside, an easy fun game for the kids. You could even do checkerboards, get fancy and do chess pieces. Lots of great things that you could do with these little caps for games. If you have any ideas for any of these things to repurpose or a great holiday gift, please share it in our group because it always helps us to learn from each other. When we're talking about lights, now I'm going to show you something, and this is really, really special. Kellyanne Janicek made this for me. Now, it is one of those battery-operated electronic Huzumawachis from a store, craft store probably sells them. And she repurposed the oil bottles. Can you see this? Is this adorable or what? Okay. She took the oil orifice reducer. Now I'm going to show you here. So in our oil bottles, hi Jessica, hi Marlena, there is an orifice reducer. This is plastic. It pops out. She took this and slit one side out from the middle and then was able to put the Christmas light bulb inside that orifice reducer. Now she topped it off and made it super cute and added these wonderful little bows to the top to just kind of make it a little fancier. It's adorable. I have it out for display. It makes things fun and glowing and great for the holiday season. I love these lights that she made me. They're really, really special, and I'm going to need to make some more. When we're talking about gifts, diffuser bracelets. So you guys are pricing these. You can make your own. They do sell lava rocks at Michael's and Hobby Lobby and such in the bead department using a stretch cord. The knot is the hard part, getting them to stay right. You can also purchase these diffuser bracelets. This is a fabulous gift that you could add a bottle of wild orange or some oil that you love and make this a gift for someone that they can add oils to it all year long and enjoy the scents. So I love diffuser jewelry. They even make earrings. I have a pair of leather earrings that I use as diffuser jewelry. I met with a lady today that actually had a diffuser ring. It was one of those lava rocks made into a ring. Very creative. And so some great ideas for diffuser jewelry for gifts. That's always loved. If you're making things for work or for groups and you want to have something simple and very delicious, you can make those pretzel sticks. You know how they take the pretzels and dip them in chocolate? You would just melt down your chocolate and you could add some peppermint oil, wild orange, cardamom. Those are some of my favorites. It doesn't take a lot. So when you're doing peppermint in a bag of Ghirardelli chocolate, if you were melting that down, probably only 3-4 drops in there. Add that to your pretzel sticks and let them dry. You could have the kids decorate them with sprinkles and add-ons to make them fancy and festive. Also, our popcorn recipe, which is in our recipe book for those of you that received the email this morning. There's 2 in there. One is our white chocolate popcorn, where you can make it a flavor, whether you want peppermint or lemon or wild orange. Those are great ones. And also, Joyce Berg made a fabulous recipe that tastes like old-fashioned popcorn balls. It's delicious, and it has lime essential oil in it. Very, very yummy recipe, so check those out. Great gifts. Take some popcorn, put it in a bag. It looks like a bunch of snow. You could even have the kids put a little snowman face on the outside of the clear bag, a little snowman treat. So lots of fun things you can do with popcorn. When you want to get the kids involved, you can make PlayDoh for them. I'll post a PlayDoh recipe in here. For those of you who want a PlayDoh recipe, you can make your own PlayDoh and scent it with essential oils, which will make it even that much more fun when they're playing. Also, getting them involved, making wool felt ornaments. So you can simply get some wool felt. I will tell you, regular felt that's polyester, the oils do not adhere as well for diffuser things. But if you get a wool felt from the store, they could cut those into different shapes of bells or circles even. They could decorate them. And you could apply essential oils and add those to your tree for them to be wonderful diffuser ornaments. I love wood as well. If you're making little wooden ornaments for the tree, those are also great to add your essential oils to for scent. I have been repurposing some boxes. So many of you get these lovely purple boxes in the mail, and I repurpose them. So I'm going to see if I can show you here. On the inside, I just push down and pop out the tabs, okay? See if I can do this. I turn it inside out. This is going to be awkward to do standing. I turn it inside out. Hi, I'm still awkward. But if you have this on a table, you'll see very easily how to reverse this. We tuck the sides in, turn it inside out, and guess what? You have a perfect, creative, awesome box to repurpose as a gift box. When we had our holiday party in Rockford, we had some painting, adding some fun acrylic paint, using some just brushes and applying that on. You can decorate with anything you want. Trees, maybe you want to personalize them with Dad's name or Mom's name. You can even decorate the sides of the boxes, okay? Lots of fun things you can do when you repurpose your dōTERRA boxes. And guess what? If you have a box that you've painted, whether it's perfect or not, it is very personable and very nice that you made it customized for your friend or your family member that you're giving it to. And you don't even need to wrap it. This can go under the tree just like this, and you don't have to waste wrapping paper, and they can even reuse it. So maybe you want to do a Harry Potter theme for your nephew, or a fun butterfly because your aunt loves butterflies. Whatever it is, repurposing dōTERRA's boxes is lots of fun and a great way to get out of using lots of wrapping paper and messy tape. I'm not very good at wrapping, so I love this idea. I hope these ideas are helpful for you. Like I said, there is my previous video, which has lots of information for those of you that received the email this morning with the recipe book that has lots of information in there for you. I will post my 16 favorite, very basic, simple roller recipes. And I will post that PlayDoh recipe as well. If there's other recipes that you need posted, just comment below, and I'll be happy to try to get those out here into the group. If you have an idea, please share it with us because we love helping each other. That's what this is about. This oil community is amazing, and we welcome all of your ideas. I look forward to seeing all of you for the rest of this holiday season, and I can't wait for everything in 2020. Please invite your friends to try oils this holiday season because why not? It's awesome, and they will thank you later. Hope you all have a fabulous night, and see you soon. Have a good one.